sparkle, sprinkle kindness wherever you go.
You have one more thing.
Okay.
Sanitizer.
Go.
There it went.
Raspberry, tangerine. Okay, let's put it all back in the bag. Here's your pretty bracelets if you want to put them on. Very
Like
nice.
bracelets. They look like your bracelets.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, I didn't know what kind of dressing you want. Here's the bowls.
Very nice. Thank you, Carrie. Okay. Then Daddy has a couple cards here.
Okay, open those in a minute.
No?
Did you
Cute.
give her Eric's on it?
Not yet.
Tim Hortons, I can go buy cappuccinos
Okay.
and other things.
Well, who's it from? Read the card.
Happy birthday. I can't read it to Krista.
Happy birthday. Have a great day, Tracy. It's from Daddy's work. What do you say to Tracy?
Thank you.
Good job. Okay, this is from somebody else from Daddy's work.
I'm making a big deal out of nothing.
So, bad news.
I want the card.
Cleaned it. And it didn't
Very
take a
sticky.
whole lot of work either. It was just simple
Ooh,
like that.
fancy card. Not fancy, kiddish.
I mean, that was all.
More Target. More Target.
Wow, very nice.
Put in water.
What's it say? Hope you have to read it.
I read it.
Hope your day is tons of fun and filled with everything that makes you happy. Happy birthday, your friend Andrea. What do you say to Andrea?
Thank you.
Okay. Good